Hello and welcome to another Decal Ranch tutorial. I was asked in a comment of one of my videos if I could show them how to do trace by color, which you will find in the trace menu right here. So let's first trace it, and then we'll pop over to, and you will see sometimes you will get images that just don't behave under a normal trace. No matter how I move these sliders, we won't be able to easily say, I'm sure we could eventually do it, but you won't be able to easily separate the H, the feet, the tail. You see, it's not even really recognizing the tail right now. It's taken a lot to even get that far. If that's your goal, one color, great, there you go. But my guess is you are wanting to do this by the color. So what we're going to do is go over here, trace by color, and then we'll select the color. Select the H. Let's move the tolerance around. Let's see how far. Let's say that's pretty good. Now there's single area and all areas. Single area just does what I selected. All areas will do anything with a similar color. So it does the P. P looks pretty good. Let's just move a little bit and see what we can get. I'm going to say that's pretty good. Let's click trace. Alright, let's do the tail. Alright, so we'll adjust the level. That looks good. Do the center. So it starts grabbing that, so we'll back it back. We'll do trace. Now with the feet, when I trace the feet here, it will give me these paws. If you want to cut the paws out separate, well, I'll show you how to adjust it. If you want to have these layered on top of each other, I'll show you how to adjust that at the end as well. If you're wanting to cut the paws out separate, you will need to trace the little paw marks as well. If you were wanting to layer this, you will then just do a release compound path at the end. I'm going to assume the person just wants to layer them, so that's the route we're going to take right now. So I'm going to trace that, and then we're going to try to go up just a little bit more, back her down, and hit trace. One more. And trace. Alright, I think that's everything. Oh, nope, H and P. I don't know where that went. Just make sure they're all in there, because that looks like it moved on me. Trace. See, it looks like with this left foot, the box moved on me. So what we're going to do is undo. I will just select that left. I would just select as best as I can that left foot. Let's get rid of it. And let's just do it again. Don't even need the whole thing. Trace by color. Once it goes through, let's back her back down. Come on. Come on. There we go. And trace. So we did those together, so we can separate that. Move that up. We'll just grab both feet at once, move them down. And fill that in, we can see these are just going to get cut out. But since we're going to layer, what I'm going to do is release compound path, and then I'm going to group all these together, the paw prints together. Group that together, we'll just make it blue. It's easier to see. We can group those two together. And we'll make them red. And there you can see each section is separated. Now, if you really wanted to see what it'll look like with the actual color, just grab the dropper. And there it is, exact. Move that out of the way. And this is ready to cut. You have each part. You know what? Let's just fill them in. Be on the safe side. Here we go. That is white. And you just finished your first trace by color. Any questions or comments, please feel free to leave them below. Don't forget to like and subscribe, please. If you look forward to seeing more videos in the future, you're going to need to hit that subscribe button. And as always, have a great day.